Hello, my name is Karl Wilcock, and for my senior project, I made a GPS tracking fitness app. For the most part, I was able to accomplish all of my goals that I expected to accomplish, which were these core goals. Those were to allow users to track their location on a map while they're exercising, also to allow them to save and view their workout history, show statistics, so their time, distance, and pace, allow users to search for nearby trails and see the route as they work out. Also to allow them to specify search parameters in their search, such as distance and location. And I also wanted to create an API and SQL database for saving the route data and serving route information to users upon request. So I actually was able to get all of the core goals accomplished, and I didn't get to the hope and dream goals, but I'm proud of myself for getting all the core goals done. So let me pull up the app now, and I'll show you how it works. On the right side of the screen, I have a video recording of the app on my phone for demonstration. So this is the title screen, the home screen. The name of the app is Trailmaker, and there's a couple lines here that explain basically what the app does. And then if I click continue, it brings me to the run history page, which is the initial view. As you can see, there are a list here of past runs with the date and the distance. And at the bottom of the screen there are three icons, which are for running, biking, and hiking. So if I click on one of those icons, it will take me to the different pages. And as you can see, there's different color schemes so that the user can tell where they are in the app. So if I go back to the run history page, I can click on one of these past runs, and it will take me to the details page where I can see the details of my run. So you can see the map here with the route drawn on it, and then there's a date, distance, and time displayed. Also, there are two annotation points which indicate the start and the finish of the run. So if I click on those, it will tell me where the start and finish are. That's so the user can know. So that's pretty cool. If I go back, then I can also go to search routes. And this brings me to the run search page. On this page I can specify search parameters to search for runs in wherever I want to, whatever distance I want. Or I can click nearby, which will just give me all the nearby runs. So if I click nearby, it'll give me all these nearby runs. And the way that works is it's using my web API. So I'm going to bring up a quick demonstration here of the API. When you query it, it's like going to this page, so you can give it queries such as state, city, distance from, distance to, and the type. And when you give it that query, it will give you back a huge list of location data. So as you can see, location, latitude, longitude, and all this stuff. So that's what's happening when I click on nearby or put in the search parameters and click search. Also, if I click on one of these rows now, I can see the details of that route, just like the other detail page. But on this page, I can click run this route. If I click that, it will take me to the new run page. On this page, I can start a new run with the specific route already drawn on the map. So you can see the route there and the start and finish, and the blinking blue dot is where my current location is. So if I click to start, I could run along the route and it would draw a blue line behind me, and I could follow the route all the way around and back to from the start back to the finish. So that's how it works. Now, I can't really demonstrate this right now on this phone unless I use the simulator. So I'm going to quickly pull up the iOS simulator, and I will demonstrate how a new run, or we'll do a new bike ride. Demonstrate how that works. So if I click new ride, it will come to this page, and I can click start, and the simulator will begin simulating somebody moving along over somewhere in California by Apple headquarters. So this blinking dot is the user's current location, and the line getting drawn is the path that they're running on. The user can see the distance, time, and their pace as they're biking. They can click pause and resume. And if they pause it, they can also click save, which will tell them, hey, your activity has been saved. Which then they can click OK and go back to their history and see that their bike ride has been saved and see the details. So that's basically how it works. All running, biking, hiking are all basically the same. As far as time goes, go to my timesheet here. I have a list of all the things that I've done with their hours listed, description, dates, and looks like it added up to approximately 80 hours, which is fairly close to what I thought it was going to take. My code is all bundled in Xcode here. You can see all the files on the left side. There's about 20 different files, and they're all organized in their different categories here. All the view controllers, and then my models are in here. And each one of these files is very long, a lot of code. The most interesting stuff was dealing with the map views. If I go to the storyboard, I can see all my different views, and this is how it's all organized. It's kind of crazy. But yeah, the most interesting stuff was dealing with map views and also location data, and also communicating with the API. I'm really glad that I chose to do this project because I learned a whole lot about data control and communication between devices, networks, databases, and views. And I really want to go out into mobile application, development of mobile applications. I really feel like I was able to use all the skills that I've acquired in my studies into this project, and I believe that it was a success. So yeah, that's my project. Thank you guys for watching.